Ascend the spine, shoulders widened. Whole spine has to ascend from bottom towards the top. Keep your head straight. When you are keeping your head straight, it is not only head, but you have to look at the neck. So bottom of the neck and top of the neck should be aligned. And on that top of the vertebra, the head has to float like a lotus flower. So it should not be just lifting the chin up. You have to adjust with your neck, bottom neck, top neck. Adjust with your ears, bottom ears, top ears. So that the top should not go backwards. The neck should not go inwards. Then it will be properly aligned. Keep your head soft, get composed, and be humble for the prayers. Om. 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 योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनाम् पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि आबाहु पुरुषाकारं शङ्खचक्रासिधारिणम् सहस्रशिरसं श्वेतं प्रणमामि पतञ्जलिम् गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः हरिः ओम् Bow down to Patanjali Guruji. Release the palms, raise your head up, open your eyes. Adho Mukha Virasana. Inhale and come up. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana on the rope. So put the ropes on the grills, etc. And do it. Even you can go also Adho Mukha Virasana, Adho Mukha Svanasana rope. Yes. Keep the forehead. Give her one rope from there. From there, she has to take that rope, wall rope. Go to wall rope. Somebody has to give the free place there. तुम्ही इकडे या, कोण आहे तिथं? पायगुडे किंवा तुम्ही सागर, तुम्ही इकडच्या, go there. Take the bolster for your head, bolster blanket, whatever you need. Those who don't have rope at home, take the independent Adho Mukha Svanasana with head support. It is better if you keep the palms to the wall. Keep the palms to the wall. If you are doing independent, keep the palms to the wall, not the feet to the wall. Keep the palms, Anita, Chennai. Keep the palms to the wall. And feet away from the wall. Rope, you are using rope, okay. Those who are not using the rope, because I won't be able to see. Whatever exactly height you need for your head, you have to take. And you have to keep the forehead on the bolster blanket, whatever you have. You know, everything cannot be said here. So it is not that I might say bolster, but it doesn't mean that you need a bolster. Some of you might need only blanket. तिचं पण जरा जास्त आहे बघ, ते पाठ काही लांबच होत नाहीये. The eye person. Take exactly height, whatever you need, and keep the forehead. If you feel that distance is too much, then you have to take break. Everything cannot be told, actually. It means that you never even try even at once at home. ए तुम्हारा डिस्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा है, अधो मुख श्वानासन ऐसा रहता है क्या? तो पीछे कुछ लगाओ ना. अरे बाबा, इंडिपेंडेंट करत असाल तर हात भिंतीला लावा सांगतेय. इंडिपेंडेंट करत असाल तर हात भिंतीला लावा. तुम्हाला रोप अवेलेबल नसेल तर काय ग्रिलवर इथं जागा नाहीये का कुठेही? Your spine has to elongate. Inhale and come up. Do you know what with that rope Adho Mukha Svanasana? Rope Adho Mukha Svanasana, look here. Come up and look here. Rope Adho Mukha Svanasana with your head support or forehead support. What you have to, aim at, what you have to get with it. What you look forward for it. It is only I have to tell that do this way and you will do, and nothing will be known to you. हात खाड खिशातून. कॅज्युअल, सगळं कॅज्युअल चालतं. Quietening of the only quiet. What? How you will quieten your mind? Right? Elongation of the spine also occurs. And Trunk also get, मी मुद्दाम बोलते कारण त्यांना कळलं पाहिजे तू काय बोलतेस. Trunk also gets extended. Brain becomes quiet. How it becomes quiet? When you are saying that your spine is lengthening, what is happening? When your brain is becoming quiet, what is happening? Nerves are? How they get quiet? Rope is holding you back, so what do you mean by a spine elongating and nerves quietening? What is the connection? What is the connection? Nerves get space? Yes. Otherwise, they are contracted. Your nerves are getting actually elongated. Lengthens. Freedom comes in the nerves. We might not be knowing the nerves, but nerves are elongating. When nerves are elongating, what happens? Which you may not, I mean, nobody, I cannot just say that you will understand it or you will experience it. Objective knowledge there is very important. So if your nerves are elongating, what must be elongating? What is giving freedom? What is getting that freedom? And when that freedom comes, what should happen? When they are saying nerves, you have to find out whether your spine is elongating or not. You have nerve problem. It might be in your eyes, but it is connected with your whole nervine system anyway. So if it has to be elongated, are you finding out whether your spine is elongating or not? Why that has to be elongated? What is the other name of nerves according to Indian philosophy? Jnanatantu, Chetatantu. That is what you are saying, no? But only that is the thing. Are you understanding? It is connected with your nadis. What nadis have to give you? Energy? See, nadi is called for everything, any vessel. Whatever is tabular form in the body is nadi. There are certain nadis which doesn't have any wall as such, tabular way. It has its own space. It has got its own space. Space. क्या करता है? Everyone is nodding the head. What space has to give? What the space has to give you? Rhythm? Who is saying rhythm? Freedom. मिळालं का freedom? Your back is free now. Your back is a bit free. After that rope, Adho Mukha Svanasana, you have to come and tell me that I got back pain. Why you did not do at home? That I am getting this pain, let me elongate my spine, elongate my back. Where that relief from the pain will be there, because the pain makes a person contracted. Body contracts, mind contracts, everything contracts. Oh, vocalist. If you are not going to understand this, it is very difficult. Space. what the space has to tell you. Huh? Zorat. Vibration. How you know vibration? You mean to say that vibration means it is all the time moving? Because you are showing this way. So I am just asking. I don't know. I don't know. It is, have you, Aparna, it is on me, camera? I don't know. Okay. Space. What that space has to give you. Huh? What do you mean by that? Your oxygen is connected with your respiratory system. See, don't have that idea all the time. Now, today, I already said pranayam class. So it doesn't mean that you have to think of oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc., etc., etc. आकाश मोकळं झालं की मग वायू मोकळा झाला की तुम्हाला काय पाहिजेलय काय असायला पाहिजेलय तिथं पण तुम्हाला कसं कळेल मोकळं झालं म्हणून आकाश मोकळं झालं हे तुम्हाला कसं कळेल नुसतंच हलकं इट इज वन ऑफ द अट्रिब्युशन ऑफ आकाश काय 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 हो ना हो ना म्हणजे तुम्हाला आवाज तर ऐकू यायला पाहिजे ना आतमध्ये नाद है ना infrastructure is nada sound but we don't try to find out so unless you get that freedom are you able to hear the sound of your own breath that is what you have to look forward for so everything is quiet whether I'm able to hear my own sound from inside the space sound what is my sound inside otherwise we all the time make sounds you tell me don't speak I will be very happy these days I don't like my own voice the quality has gone so I don't like to hear much my own voice others might say whatever it is I know according to the age it goes and that has happened then are you able to hear if you are able to hear that you will be able to understand what your body is telling you my spine is not elongating somewhere it is contracting my lumbar spine is contracting that will speak to you but you are not allowing that actual Adho Mukha Svanasana and rope Adho Mukha Svanasana is not different it is same it is only that you are not using any pressure of your leg pressure of your arm and aram say with relaxed way you will be in Adho Mukha Svanasana it doesn't mean that whatever length you should have between your palms and the leg is it that why I have to tell you now so it means that even one day we don't try in which way if I do I get my proper Adho Mukha Svanasana on the road but no I'm putting any extra pressure from the leg or from the arm they are also relaxed I am also relaxed my breath is also relaxed my brain is also relaxed everything is relaxed whether I'm able to hear from inside what it is saying but we never hear one more Adho Mukha Svanasana तिथं तिला रोप रोप लाव ते डोळ्याच्या वालीला, डोळेवालीला तिथं आहे ती. युरोप लाव, सिंहासन बॉक्स घे, तिच्या हाताला काय लागेल तेवढं दे आणि तिचं डोकं टेकलं पाहिजे. अरे जरा ऊपर से लाओ और एक लगाओ, तुम्हारे हाइट के हिसाब से देखो ना क्या करना है. अभी वो इन्होंने नहीं लाया क्या? अभी इनका देखो ना, इनका देखो, इन्होंने लगाया है ना. वो प्राची ने लगाया है, देखो इधर ही है ब्लू टी शर्ट. उसमें ही डाल के जाओ पहले, दूसरा डालने के पहले जाओ वो निकालो सिंहासन बॉक्स. ए लिटिल क्विकर, सिंधू जरा लवकर लवकर. नो वेअर युअर लंबार शूज शॉर्टन. And if you feel that your spine is getting shortened, you keep your heel down. Keep the heel on the floor. Don't raise it on the wall. And find out whether your spine is elongating. You need not do anything as such. It is only your palms will be going forward. As much as you are able to crawl, keep on crawling. And don't keep your palms so closer. Otherwise, your clavicles will get shortened. And elongate there. Wind out. All the fingers will spread. All the toes will spread. So rope asanas are more difficult than actually independent pose. There is a lot of brain you need to use. Where your the area should not go to sleep is the head of the shin bone. And whether your whole trunk elongating, spine elongating, side trunk elongating. And then find out, just for a while stay there with finding out your own breath. अजून हात पुढे घे रमा, मागे हात, हात पुढे येऊ देत रमा, अजून येऊ देत, अजून येऊ देत, पुढे आणायलाच तयार नाहीत हात. Elbow joint should not bend. So head of the forearm should be tucked in, elbow tucked in. Then you all the time feel that it is actually physical going, because you have to speak that. You are not bothered to keep your arms in that proper manner, legs in that proper manner. And when you are settled down, then you have to find out about your breath. You need to find out whether that space is there for your exhalation. What space you have got for your exhalation? What space you have got for your inhalation? And as you were saying about the vibration, after your exhalation, when you are inhaling, whether you feel some of that vibration in your nostrils, at the gateway of your nostrils. in your exhalation, where that vibration you get to begin your exhalation. Quietly inhale and raise your forehead. Then walk in and then come up. Now you are expecting that I should speak something. But really you need that I should speak something? No. Then why to have that expectation? Why to make your brain to get disturbed with that? की आता पुढे काय? आता जे आहे ते you experience, no, whatever is now at this moment of time. That quietness. The thing that your eyes also don't want to see anything. Your ears doesn't want to hear anything. Because it has heard something from inside. That sound is actually it is a sort of, sound of Lord, if I can say that. Words of Lord. So we should be able to hear it. It may not reveal anything. It may not tell you anything. Because we are not to that level. But there is some sort of dialogue inside happens that you have to hear, which doesn't have any words. If we are able to experience it, at least experience that. Shabde Veena Samvado. At least experience that. It is not that every time we will get, every day we will get. But we can experience someday that there is a sort of dialogue happening to the Lord who is within me. It makes a difference. The moment if I come out without listening to him, it is not going to come. You will never have this experience. So when you have to come up, yes, naturally you need to raise your head, but it should not disturb your brain cells to come up. Then you will be able to hear. We won't get this experience on our own. These experiences are given to us by saints. Why not experience it? The day I'm getting it. By hearing that song, you may not get it. That might disturb. The voice, the high pitch. Here, this pitch is exactly to level to my pitch. That makes a difference. And that is how we have to find out. Sometimes just learn to listen to this. Uttanasana. So I'm not going to give you any support, but if you take support, actually you will get it faster. If you want to take it. I have no objection over there. You have to touch the forehead for eyes. For eyes, always eyebrows. That is the front brain has to be absolutely. मागेचे ब्रिक बघ त्याच्यावर ब्रिक ठेवली की डोकं टेकेल प्राची मागेच ब्रिक आहे First, you have to go lengthen and then find out. Usually what happens, Head support means I take everything. It is actually we need to find out how much height from below is needed for my head. That is how much the floor has to be raised up. It is in a class, it will be easier. So we will say, okay, take the chair and sort of thing. But it's our duty to find out. Shape of the trunk changes. Neck length done. अगर लवकर जाणं किती वेळ ते others can definitely keep the crown of the head, and that also your top ear has to be rolled towards your leg. Again observe, again listen to the sound of your own breath. Even sometimes if you are folding arm, if it is there, keep it in front of that brick, not away from your head, in front of your brick, and then find out. And you have to keep your crown of the head, except your eyes, I will tell. So that rolling of the ears have to come. If your ears roll, ears are getting that freedom. And when that ears get freedom, you can hear the inner sound in a better manner. That has to actually tell you. When we say vibration, Marathi spandan, it should be in such a manner that after exhalation, when your inhalation begins, there will be slightly that area has to be there that it gives certain way for your breath to go in. Te spandane. Then inhalation begins. As though the door at the nostrils is open. And breath enters. And then you have to hear that sound. And finding that inhalation length. When inhalation is complete and your exhalation begins, before your inhalation commences, exhalation commences, there is a inner vibration. That is a sort of space inside given to release. Space given for your inhalation. Where that space comes, after inhalation, that is exhale completely, inhale, and without any disturbing any part of your body, you have to come up. कुठलाही अंग प्रत्यंग न डिस्टर्ब करता वरती या. What you are feeling, you have to experience it. If only it is a problem with the eyes, I will ask you, are you finding your eyes are cool? Are you finding your head is cool? Because that is the thing. Eye person has to get that feeling, the healthy feeling. And what you feel, you have to find out. Then you will know why all these things are given. And then how much we need to practice to get exact height, exact action, exact support. Shirshasana. You do Janu Shirshasana, Paschimottanasana. You have not started yet Janu Shirshasana. So, ते मागे न्या विपरीत दंडासन त्यांचेच मागे जाऊ देत. तुम्ही शीर्षासन करता की नाही, रोग शीर्षासन करता की नाही, मग विपरीत दंडासनाला जा. फक्त पाय गुडघ्याखाली काहीतरी घ्या, बस. तुम्ही नुसतंच मनाला वाटलं की ठरवता का? हे काय उत्तर झालं काय? गुडघ्याखाली घ्या, कमरेवर प्रेशर येत नाही. कोणीतरी स्टेजवर जा. Somebody has to go on the stage. Quickly. Go, Jyoti, go. The forearm well pressed. It has to roll outside in. The upper arm outside in. Side trunk elongating. The whole spine has to elongate. It should be now have freedom after your Adho Mukha Svanasana and Uttanasana. Good extension should be there. Eyes roll in. Find out effect of your Adho Mukha Svanasana, Uttanasana in your Shirshasana. As I was telling you that you have to feel the gate of the nostrils, freedom. Having that feeling of vibration before even inhalation, as though that door is open. You have to feel it in your Shirshasana too. Even exhalation, after inhalation, when your exhalation begins, where it comes, where that vibration you get. Mouth soft, tongue soft. Don't clench your teeth. काय झालं? डास आहेत? मग फॅन लावा. लावलाय तुमचा नाहीये, कुठलेच लावले नाहीये फॅन. तुम्ही पुढे राहणार आणि साईडचा फॅन लावणार. ते लाव ना तिथं, ते दिवे लाव ना, ते डास ते ओढून घेईल. म्हणजे आम्ही योग करत असताना थोडीशी हिंसा. नाही लागत आहे दिवा, तो निळा दिवा नाही का लागत आहे, त्याचं माहित नाही का स्विच कुठे आहे. आणि तिथे प्रतिपक्ष भावना वी शुड अंडरस्टँड व्हेरी वेल. Not to get himsa on my leg, I have to do himsa putting light on the blue one. Balance of himsa and ahimsa. If you are in periods, you are supposed to do Viparita Dandasana as that equivalent to Shirshasana. I mean, every class I cannot tell you. The lady who is having eye problem, I said, go to Janu Shirshasana. But if you are in periods, you have to just do Viparita Dandasana. It is not every class, it should be, told about it. You are going to do Parshva Shirshasana. So don't turn first. The whole body has to be lengthened. You are going to repeat it. Repeatedly, you are going to do it. You have to be sure about your right side. You will be turning on your right side. So naturally, with the outer body, you will turn towards right. So from left to right, the body will be rotating. Go to the right side, you search your right side, go to right side, turn it. Do not shift your leg, just keep on turning. So it is turning on the front body from left to right, whereas back body has to rotate from right to left. Yes, come to the center, go on the other side. So now it will be, you are going towards left, so right to left. The back body from left to right. There should be total rotation, you have to feel it. The action should be in such a manner that you will be extending your left whole trunk upwards, and then rotation has to, right one up and then rotate on the left side. That you have to understand. Now come to the center. Side trunk elongating, lengthen there. Second attempt. Now, when you are going to have second attempt, your attention should be there, how your muscles are rotating along with it. So you are going to rotate on your right side. So when you are rotating towards the right back moves towards the spine. So those muscles go closer to the spine. The other muscles, left side muscles, goes away from the spine towards the outer edge of the trunk. From the outer edge of the trunk, the left comes towards the sternum. And front will be going again towards the right. Yes? How those muscles go? Now come to the center. Go on the other side. Whenever you are doing turning, the opposite has to be lengthened. That we usually do with our pistons. But your attention should be on that spinal body. How your now the right spinal muscles move away from the spine to come towards the outer. From the outer right, you are going towards the left. From the outer left, you are going towards the spine. Are you understanding? So it is a sort of pradakshina going around you. Now come to the center. Third attempt. Elongate your body. Now when you are going to rotate on your right, you have to see that left, you are lengthening up and rotate. So it should be more closer to your spine. From the center portion of the spine, you are rotating. So that your spine, the dorsal spine and the sternum has to be properly aligned over there. The front, like a front door of the temple. And at the rear side also, you go to the temple, White Pradakshina. That rear side you have to find out from your dorsal. Now come to the center. So that's how that third Pradakshina should be. Now side trunk fully elongate. Now your right has to elongate more to rotate on the left. Become more taller. And do it. And have that understanding from the anterior spine, how you are getting it. Now come to the center. Wait. Be in Shirshasana. As when we go to the temple, it is usually a practice is that first outer whole circumferential area we have to go around it. Then when we go inside we have to rotate. Go around it. The next one is that it is in the sanctorium, Garbhagar. You go inside and then you go just around the idol over there. If we get chance, everyone doesn't get that chance. Let us find out whether we are having that now, just going around that Lord who is within. Okay? And now lift, right side lift. So how your inner part of the spine elongates and rotate on the right. Your mind should be as though you are just going around the Lord. Idol. Come to the center. Then on the other side. So elongate your right and then go. Come to the center and then come down. Without disturbing, come down. Without disturbance, come down. So coming down is like a coming out of that temple. सावकाश ग राजलक्ष्मी पाय लांब कर आणि ते स्टूल शोध शोध हा काही तू करू नको त्या येतील त्यांना आता फक्त पाय खाली ठेवायचा आहे come up सर्वांगासन You have to adjust your shoulders and everything with Halasana, Chatushpadasana, Halasana, and then go to Sarvangasana. There should be proper shoulder placement. ते तुम्ही बोस्टरवर जेव्हा करता ना तेव्हा त्या एल्बोला सपोर्ट नको का हो? So I don't think it has been taught with one bolster. पाठी टाकायचा एक हे कमी करा बाबा. त्याला पण गुडघ्याखाली घ्या. हे तिला विपरीत करणे. हे झालं की विपरीत करणे. Why you want to do bolster? Any chair, 2 chairs are there. You can take for Setuban Sarvangasana 2 chairs. Bench is there, take the bench. Or if you are having the bolsters, take the 2 bolsters vertical and do. And keep the legs on the wall accordingly. Both the bolsters vertical. And then you have to lie down on it vertically. And your legs will be having support. Try to open your chest, armpit, etc. It is not that just, lying down over there. It should be in a better manner. And length, you have to get it. The face has to recede down. The temples receding towards the floor. The eyebrows should be well spreaded. No frowning on your forehead, absolutely quiet. Skin should be well spread over there. From inside, the skin has to spread. The shrinking comes from inside, not outside. So space also gets from inside. So the inner layer, which is touching your skull, at the forehead, skin should be spreaded. And side trunk elongate. का होते रमा तिथं बेंच वगैरे नाहीये का घ्यायला? कसलं ते पोस्टरवर सेतुबंध सर्वांगासन करायचं दरवेळेस? काय? मग दुसरं कोणीतरी उचलून देतील तुम्हाला सांगितलं तर. म्हणजे तर कोणाला तरी मदतीला आणा तुमच्या बाईला. पाठी टाकायची सवय झालीये, दुसरं काही नाही. त्यांना उचलायचं नाही, तिच्या पण डोळ्याला प्रॉब्लेम आहे, ती उचलते ती. Whole chest has to get lifted. The temples passive, mouth passive. Tongue has to recede within. Your attention should be such that whole your sternum has to get lifted. And find out how you will lift your sternum up. How you will lift your sternum up? If I ask you to come down, then definitely, some of you will be very happy. Oh, this lady has brought us down. Very good. Thank you very much. Some of you may not like it. Still lift your sternum up. Widen the clavicles and lift. So how to lift? Okay, let us find out. Come down. Sorry, if you are well settled over there, but sorry, come down. Let us help our friends. Come down, come down, come down, come down. Second attempt, you might get better. What you are supposed to do? That is what I heard that is what your career is. Now I am asking you. Tell me. It is very easy, to ask the questions to others, give advice to others. You might have taken the, whatever certificate and everything is needed, might be there. I won't say anything about it. I don't say, saying also that what you are doing is wrong or something. No such sort of thing. Whether I am practicing on my own self also comes there, no? Otherwise, giving advice and this is okay. Something if I have to improve, is it not our duty to think over it? Where I am failing and not getting it? Because otherwise, every teacher will be giving blind instructions. I also could have given it. It is not very difficult for me to give over there. What is their difficulty? Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this to say. I have to understand what I am exactly have to do. Otherwise, I keep on, somebody says, I do. Somebody says, I do. Is it good in our life? All the time somebody is saying, and children also rebel. If we keep on telling them, they rebel. The day comes, they will say, okay, don't tell mommy anything. I know. They will immediately say, one day we listen this. I know what I'm supposed to do. So all the time giving advice doesn't help. So when instruction is given over there, it is not instruction. Sometimes it's advice that do in this manner so your chest will go up. So sometimes we have to understand, where I am failing and not able to live and what I'm supposed to do. So if you have to lift your sternum up, you have to find out where you are failing, why it is not getting lifted. And there, the way Guruji has put it, really we have to understand it and appreciate, should be able to appreciate it, because otherwise we will never know. There are 5 types of Chitta Bhumi has been said: Mooda, Kshipta, Vikshipta, Ekagra, Niruddha. Light on yoga. Find out. Because every time you will say, tell us in English. Sorry, my English is not good. I cannot immediately remember the words that Guruji has given. But these are 5 Chitta Bhumis. Are you understanding? Those who understand, okay. Those who don't understand, go and find out in Light on Yoga book. So there is also that area, chitta is everywhere, our consciousness is everywhere, mind is everywhere. You cannot say my mind is here, my mind is there. Mind is everywhere, from top of the head to the bottom of the feet, and from bottom of the feet to the top of the head. So we know when we get angry, what happens, from where it moves. So that anger is also everywhere, huh? Understand? It is not in one place. Immediately it will be going everywhere. So I have to find out where I'm dull and not able to find out from where I'm able to raise my chest, raise my sternum. So there I am, Shirshasana, I was telling, no. Did you get that? Only once I said. Only once I said that your sternum and your dorsal. So it means that they are facing each other. There is a philosophy of it. Huh? I have not experienced that philosophy of it. I'm telling you, frankly, I'm telling you. So my level is okay, whether my sternum and my dorsal, whether they are in front of each other. Some philosopher might say, that is, Vedantin might say, bimba and pratibimba. Then we won't understand anything. So this is one bimba, that is pratibimba. Whether that is bimba, this is pratibimba. Whether they are coming in front of each other or not. So in Shirshasana, you might have felt that they are aligned. It's extreme outer body, your dorsal and the sternum. I said, go within to find out. So both will become one. Somewhere they will reach at one point. Bindu. I don't know whether all these words you have heard or not. That is different. But that is how we have to understand. By doing, how it will come. So first I have to know I'm not getting it. If I know that I'm not getting it, then effort begins. No. If I feel I'm perfect, where there will be sort of improvement. When I know I'm imperfect, we work for perfection. Are you understanding? And we have to work for it. Then if you are not able to lift, how you lift your, I want now all of you to help anyone who is able to help two others who are not able to get it. How many of you are not understanding what I'm saying? That your sternum has to be lifted. Single instruction. How many of you know how you lift? And how many of you don't know how to lift? Nobody knows. So buttock has to come in. So what does it mean? No, what does it mean? That buttock has to come in. You are just putting a statement over there. वकिलाला सांगते ना, वकिलाशी बोलतीये मी. I don't know. I have not studied it. But we have to think in that manner, no? That my buttock has to come in is the statement you are saying. So what does it mean? No. If you're saying that your buttock has to come in, त्याचा अर्थ काय होतो? What is the meaning of that? Why you are saying this? Why you are saying this? So we are not thinking in that manner. All around we have to think over. खूप याचा विचार करावा लागतो. Otherwise, blindly, I also could have said, take your buttock in and lift, buttock in, lift, buttock in, lift. How many times it has been said by every teacher? By every teacher? Every teacher says. Because every teacher sees that buttock is back. So every teacher says, take the buttock in and lift up. Take the buttock in and lift up. No teacher will go and push that buttock in to lift. There it is difficult. Touch and take it, it is very difficult. So what does it mean? What you see, that buttock is back. So when that buttock has to come in, it means your buttock is back. Barobar hai? Because that is the mistake that you have to understand. Oh, this is the mistake happening, and this mistake I have to correct it. Are you understanding? So we have to search the mistakes. But all the time we are happy with finding out, oh, here came well, here came well, here came well. Okay, positive. No problem. At the same time, that vision also should be there. I'm not where I'm not getting it. It makes a difference. So to take your buttock in, because it is remaining back. Now the question comes, how I will take in? Because person will say, I'm not able to get it. I cannot object. Okay, you are not getting it. I might saying that, okay, take your buttock in, buttock in, buttock in. Left sternum, it is not coming. How you will learn it? How you will learn it? Yes? But a rope everyone will not have at home, no? Their study will be at home, no? Here there is no question of study. Your own practice when it comes, then the study. I have to take it in to raise my sternum. What is the meaning of raise the sternum up? Have you thought over it? Have you thought over it? I was telling raise your sternum up. So your mind was on your sternum, no? To lift it up, lift it up, lift it up. What happened there when you were lifting? But what was happening? So what happened to your own body? What happened to your own body? Height. You got height, no? Or light, what you are saying? You got height, no? So it means that height has to come. If your sternum has to get lifted, the height has to come. So how I will get the height? What is my height? And what is my height in Sarvangasana? At least that height has to come, which height I have got. Given by God. Somebody might be 4 feet, somebody might be 5 feet, somebody might be 5.5, somebody might be 6. Somebody might be just 5.5 feet, but in asana looks like 8 feet. Those who have seen Guruji's practice, they might have seen Guruji looks more taller than what his own height. So how that height you will get? How you will learn to take that height? Is the question now comes. Now rope will not, everyone will not have a rope. What everyone will have at home? Home. What? Wall. Everyone will have wall, because then only we can call it as a home. Otherwise we cannot. That is something, was told when that Panchakosha was taught, lecture, that how to. So we have to break those koshas, no? So we have to find out, go here, do Sarvangasana. Head to the wall. Your head to the wall. And go to Sarvangasana. Slightly go closer, your crown of the head should not touch the wall. That much only is the distance. Go. Okay, now come to independent Sarvangasana. Just come to independent Sarvangasana. Now her buttock is going in, so we don't have any problem over there. Okay. Now, touch your feet to the wall. Climb up on the wall. Lift, 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 lift. What happened? Buttock went in. That also you got it. There. Exactly you might be able to see the line over there. And lift up. Lift up. And now lift the sternum without leaving the feet. Lift the sternum. Lift the sternum. Your dorsal sternum coming, aligned. Jyoti? Sound is not coming. Kalla ka? Difficult. But what happens? We are in Sarvangasana and we keep on speaking to each other. Only we don't find out how we speak to each other. If you have to speak, your chest has to go back. Then only it is, your throat will give you freedom to speak. Otherwise not. Keep on climbing, 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 climb, climb. And now without disturbing your buttock, take one leg back. And take the other leg back. Better than her independent. Everyone can improve, huh? It is not that only one person or those who are not able to take it, I am telling. Ata tu ye, come down. You go, come. So sometimes this way also we can teach, no? What to teach? That is what, people will ask. In a beginner's class, I want to teach Sarvangasana. How to teach? Don't sleep. Madam, why are you sleeping? Yesterday night you did not sleep? Yes. Huh? Huh? You slept, no? Then why you are... But your eyes were sleeping just now. And brain also. Now, asan hai, khali hai, to khali hai. Do your usual Sarvanga. Mage hai. And go to Sarvangasana. पाडकून देऊ मध्ये डोकं दुखायला लागतं मग. Just go. Don't do anything. What you did there in the center. Come down. Come down. Come, do here. इथं दाखव. Do here. मगाशी केलं तसंच कर. फारसा शहाणपणा करू नकोस. मग मगाशी का नाही केलं हे? Now lift your sternum. Lift your sternum. काय ग? आहे ना? Those who were just next to you saw her previously how she was, and now how she is. Are you understanding? How they cheat? How they cheat? येऊ दे जाऊन पाय पुढे. This is अजून पाय पुढे. येऊ दे पाय पुढे. This is what she was doing. And I was telling lift the sternum, she could not. Are you understanding? आता खाली आहे. ये खाली आहे. आता तिकडे जा. आता जवळ घे. जाऊ दे पायवर. लिफ्ट. कीप ऑन लिफ्टिंग. जा वरती. पाय नको बघू. छाती बघ. छाती उचल. Don't look at your chest. You have to, don't look at your feet. Look at your chest. And keep on lifting. Lift. Climb up. Climb up. Crawl. Crawl up. Tuck your buttock in now. And now one leg back. The other leg back. And lift up. Keep the leg straight. Don't look at the wall. Chest up. Chest up. Still feet back. Buttock closer to the wall. Feet away from the wall. Are you getting it? Now come down. Because others also have to do, no? काय झालं ग? Huh? when you are saying better, there are certain things. Asana coming better, you feeling better, your organic body feeling better. Counseling. Huh? Asana became better. So the organic body did not feel better. Are you understanding? That is how we have to understand. Answer has to tell. Counseling. You have to do the counseling to yourself, saying that why my organic body is not feeling better. Or you should be able to compare. The first you did here, and here when you did, what happened to your organic body? And if she is not giving, then it becomes my work why she is not feeling it. Are you understanding? I won't expect that she should give me answer. Huh? I am looking forward for the answer. If she is not giving, it is my duty to find out how I have to make her to feel that better in the organic body. Okay? Are you understanding? Once again, go. आता चांगलं उचल. That experience has come. Blanket. Roll कर. Brick circle roll कर. Brick. मांडीत दे. पाय जरा स्प्रेड कर ग. स्प्रेड कर पाय. हा तिथे एक ब्लँकेट ठेवते मी. आता पाय जर नुसते जवळ घे. ते ब्लँकेट घट्ट धर आणि बटेक आत मार. बटेक आत मार. मार आत आणि लिफ्ट. लिफ्ट. थोडेसे तिथे पाय धर. ती थरथरती. भीती आहे तिला अजून. शांतपणे धर. तू काही तिला करवू नकोस. लिफ्ट देअर. लिफ्ट देअर. लिफ्ट देअर. What you people see? Feeling better, one thing, that is her feeling. What is your observation? What? She's more relaxed, right? And because there is a behind support wall. But whether she is looking at herself or to the away from her head, towards the forehead. So if you look at your own self, you are going to be relaxed. Because I look at others, I am not relaxed. I cannot be relaxed now when I am teaching her there. How can I be relaxed? If I am looking at myself, I will be relaxed. आता तुला काय वाटतंय ग? What you feel? Okay, abdominal area. थोडंसं सरळ कर तिला, मागे नको. सरळ कर. तू पुढे ये. तू पुढे ये बस. Okay, now her pelvic region. Look at her pelvic region. आता ये खाली. ये खाली. You did first your Sarvangasana, your pelvic region. Then you did here your pelvic region. Now you did your pelvic region. Are you understanding what she's saying? Open and widen pelvic region. So you do on the chair, no? Otherwise, when I take in the class, she will be picking up chair. Sarvangasana. Because to get that freedom, I did not allow today anyone say, I did not say take the chair. Confusion whether. So she did in the center. But when it is pelvic freedom saying, what does it mean? Whether that organic body is free or not. The organs that are in pelvic region are free or not. When that is free, whether your chest is not free. Yes, your brain is free. So that means it is organic health. Asana is healthy. Asana is healthy. That is what we have to look forward for. Are you understanding? Now, all of you, Sarvangasana, once again. ते ठेव पाहिजे तर पायामध्ये असं काहीतरी There should be a little fatness, should be there. Because sometimes too much thinness also gives organic contraction. So we have to create freedom over there. So take that blanket and then try. Okay. Find out. And go to Sarvangasana. Now I want that height. Quick. Shirshasana is easier than Sarvangasana. To get this in Sarvangasana is very, very difficult. पाय वाको, मांड्याजवळ आण, मांड्याजवळ आण, and lift. Whole back lifted, side trunk lifted. आता तुला कोणी आधार देणार नाही, तिला नुसतं दे सपोर्ट, उचल एकदा, मग तिचं तिने थांबलं पाहिजे. And whole trunk lifted, side trunk lifted, outer thighs rolling in. Now you have to find out, your sternum has to get lifted. To lift your sternum, unless your back comes in, it cannot. So you have to see that your back has also should lengthen, go upwards, climb up with your back. So your shoulder blade has to climb up. And when they climb up, you have to bring them in. Back in, front up. Back in, front up. Are you understanding? So that your buttock can tuck in. Keep on lifting. And when it doesn't come, maybe little height or against the wall you can do. And side trunk lifted. Keep on lifting there. Outer thighs rolling in. ते घट्ट पकड ते ब्रिक, ते ब्लँकेट. आणि पोटाला उचल. Abdomen lift. Navel lift. Ribs lift. Back ribs in, front ribs up. Are you understanding? That is how the instruction comes. To get that proper positioning in the asana and getting that healthiness. So it is for you to find out. Those who cannot lift can go to the wall, head to the wall and lift. Find out whether you are getting it or not. At least get that experience. आता या मुलीने जर तिने लगेच improve झालं असेल, तर how much improvement you will get? There, the yellow t-shirt, go to the wall, keep the feet on the wall, come down, go to the wall and do it. And find out whether your asana improves or not. That aim should be there, that first my asana we should improve. Then the feeling comes, whether it is a healthy feeling, unhealthy feeling, etc., etc. अजून जवळ जायला पाहिजे. Only crown of the head should not touch. So it is for you to find out whether I am able to lift or not. It is not staying in the center, you will get it. Climb up. अजून घाई करू नको, उचल अजून. Lift, lift, lift and tuck your buttock in. Take only one leg back. And tuck that buttock in. Then take the other leg back. And then tuck in. And lift up. Lift up. Now you know that your back gets lifted. Back is elongated. So how many of it is, you always need direct instruction. Otherwise, you never do it. When I showed it against the wall, none of you felt that you will go against the wall to do it. To find out whether I'm further improving myself. Temples passive, forehead passive. The forehead skin has to come from here towards the eyebrows. And eyebrows spread. What the length of your breaths you felt in Shirshasana might not be in Sarvangasana. Are you understanding? To get that, there should be, position should be in a very much correct manner. And that is why we always prefer to go on the chair so that that easily comes. अजून उचल ग, चढ त्याच्या भिंतीवर. पायाची बोटं वर घे आणि चढ, चढ. अगदी मांडी टेकली तरी चालेल. Tuck your buttock in and lift up. आणि मग tight कर, buttock tight and one leg back. Then buttock, other buttock tight and leg back. And then find out whether your Sarvangasana improves or not. Now exhale and come down. Once go and do it against the wall, every one of you, and try. Chair people will just stay there on the chair. Don't come down immediately. काय ग सिंधू? तेवढंच तेवढंच की अजून काही सांगायचंय? Paper has to be till tomorrow, so I cannot ask you there. Because it might have kept for tomorrow's class. I don't know. So I cannot ask you. Quickly go, then other people will go. The chair, those who are doing against that will come down. तिथं ग्रिलला जा. जागा नसेल तर ग्रिलला जा. Quick. सिंधू, माझा प्रश्न होता अजून काही? कधी क्लासमध्ये असं घेतलंय का लोकांचं? घेतो ना म्हणजे? बरं मग?
आणखी जी उंची ती चांगली म्हणजे मला माझी उंची
तू इतरांना घेण्याच्या अगोदर तुला उंची माहित नव्हती? याचा अर्थ असा होतो की इतरांना घेताना तुला ती उंची माहित नव्हती. आज तू एक्सपिरियन्स केली. पण मला विचारायचंय तेच, फक्त आजच एक्सपिरियन्स केलं का? ह्याच्यापूर्वी कधी एक्सपिरियन्स केलं होतं?
पण आता ती पुन्हा
रिव्हिजन झाली. आम्ही विसरतो, हे विसरायचं नाही. ही मेथडॉलॉजी विसरायची नाही. गीतानी घेतलेली आहे, गुरुजींनी घेतलेली आहे, पण आम्ही विसरतो. टाइटन युअर बटॅक अँड देन ओनली टेक द लेग बॅक and then find out whether your Sarvangasana improves or not. When it becomes short, okay, come down. Hello. Whether it came or not, better or no, then it's not your duty to do it. This is the thing, that how to improve my Sarvanga. I don't know, some of you might be doing only on Saturday when the class is there. We might be doing Sarvangasana, I don't know. I won't say anything. Guruji always said, okay, even if you are not able to practice, doesn't matter. At least come to the class and be regular in the class. So that privilege Guruji has given, where I can say, you have to practice every day. I have nothing to say anything. But improvement, you have to find out. That how I will improve my asana. First, asana has to be improved. Then I can find out what exactly feeling I'm getting, whether I'm feeling healthy. Asana better, healthiness will come. No doubt about it. Where I need that exact healthiness, whether I'm getting it or not. So counseling, where it has to go? It has to go to my pelvic region. It has to go to my lung region. It has to go to my brain region. It has to go to my heart region. I have to counsel my heart. If I've got heart problem, I have to counsel my heart. Don't worry, I will put my body into this position. You might feel better. Observe. Then that Bhishmacharyasana will help. Otherwise, it will not. They are afraid.